Good morning, dear children. Today we will do some more questions of miscellaneous exercise which was started on the previous term. This is the seventh question. Log x to the power log x. We have to differentiate it. So let us take it equal to y. Then y is equal to log x to the power log x. Now taking log of both the sides, because here the base and power both are functions of x, so we will take log of both the sides. So log y is equal to log x into log of log x, because log of m to the power n is n log m, so power will come in before this in the starting. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So on the left hand side we will use chain rule. First differentiate it with respect to x and then multiply with dy by dx. On the right hand side we will use product rule, since it is a product of two functions, log x and log of log x. So we get 1 by y dy by dx equal first function log x as it is multiplied by dy by dx of log x plus second function as it is log of log x plus dy by dx of log x. Now dy by dx of log x, here we use the formula for log x, that is log x, the differentiation of log x is 1 by x, but here we are having a function of x, not simply x, so we will use chain rule and we will multiply it with the differentiation of log x. So it becomes 1 upon log x multiplied by dy by dx of log x plus second function as it is multiplied by differentiation of first function, which is log x. So log x ka differentiation is 1 by x. Then on the right hand side we get 1 by x, because the differentiation of log x is 1 by x, this log x gets cancelled, plus log of log x divided by x. X can be taken LCM, and then we cross multiply y. We will transpose this y on the right hand side and substitute the expression for y, which is log x to the power log x. So this is the derivative of y. The next one is x raised to the power x plus x raised to the power a plus a raised to x plus a raised a. So let us take it equal to y. Then dy by dx is dy by dx of x raised x plus dy by dx of x raised a plus dy by dx of a raised x plus dy by dx of a raised a. Now dy by dx of x raised x, we will find its derivative taking it some other function u and then taking log. We will do it later. First we will differentiate this. It is of the form x to the power n, so its differentiation will be a x to the power a minus 1. A to the power x, the derivative of a to the power x is a to the power x log a, and a to the power a is constant, so its derivative is 0. Now let us find the derivative of x raised to the power x. So let us take it some function as u. U is equal to x to the power x. Taking log on both sides, we get log u is equal to log x to the power x. This power can be written first, because log m to the power n is n log m, so we can write it as x log x. So d by dx of log u will be equal to d by dx of x log x, taking log of both the sides. And since it is a function of u, we will first differentiate it with respect to u and then use chain rule. So multiply with du by dx. On the right hand side we use the product rule. So first function x multiplied by derivative of second function plus second function as it is multiplied by derivative of the first function. Now the derivative of log x is 1 by x and the derivative of x is 1. So we can have 1 plus log x. Now transpose u on the right hand side, we get du by dx equal to x to the power x multiplied by 1 plus log x. Now substitute this du by dx in the given in the equation 1. We get dy by dx equal to, this is du by dx plus the other terms. Next one is, if x root 1 plus y root 1 plus x is 0, prove that dy by dx equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is also a very important question. It has been asked in the board examination so many times. So here in the expression for dy by dx, we have only a term containing x, no y. So first of all, we have to write y in terms of x from the given expression. The given equation, this can be written as x root 1 plus y equal to minus y root 1 plus x. Now we have to remove this square root sign. So taking a square of both the sides, we get x square multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to y square 1 plus x. Apply the distributive property on the both the sides and then transpose this y square on the left hand side and x square y on the right hand side. We get x square minus y square equal to minus x square y plus y square x. It can be factorized as x plus y, x minus y, and from the right hand side we can take xy minus xy common, and then within bracket we are left with x minus y. Now dividing both sides by x minus y, since we are given that x is not equal to y, so it means it is not non-zero quantity. We can divide it by x minus y. So we get x plus y is equal to minus xy. Transpose this term containing y on the left side and the term x on the right hand side, and then take y common from these terms. We get y into 1 plus x equal to minus x. So y is equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x. So differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get dy by dx equal to minus, use the quotient rule, minus 1 plus x denominator multiplied by derivative of numerator minus numerator multiplied by derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. And it is 1, it is also 1, so we get minus 1 plus x minus x divided this. Minus x plus x gets cancelled and we get minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So that's all for today. Thank you.